Hello and namaste. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss 5 meditations that you can implement into your daily life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Yoga Mind Mastery on YouTube and Veer Confidence on YouTube. If you're watching this in course, congratulations, you are on the right track to reaching your true potential. So the first meditation that I'm going to talk about is laughing meditation. What is laughing meditation? Okay, this is one of the best meditation, and if you have a lot of trauma within yourself, this is what you need to do. In the morning, in the beginning of the morning, just as soon as you get up, start laughing like a madman. Set a timer for 10 minutes and start laughing like a madman. Try to catharsize everything within yourself, for anything and everything. If you're even feeling pain, laugh at it. Okay, laughing is an expression, also an outlet of energy. So if you try to express your anger, your depression, your sadness, everything as an outlet, it will really relax your mind, and this will become a meditation. Of course, relaxation is not meditation, but relaxation takes you to meditation. So this will really help you. In the beginning, it's possible that you're unable to laugh. You're beginning to think that what am I doing? Am I stupid or something? So my advice to you in that particular scenario, don't think like this. Lock the room, tell your family, tell your friends, everyone, don't call me during that period. If possible, do it in the morning. Don't ask them to don't disturb you in that period. You have not gone mad. You are just doing a certain practice for 10 minutes. Okay, laugh it out, laugh everything out. If possible, you can also collect all your friends together and together laugh at your own suffering. Okay, this is the most beautiful thing that you are going to do. This will release all your trauma. Your traumas need a form of release. Okay, if they don't get an outlet, if it don't find a release, they will begin to manifest in different forms in your body. And I don't think anybody wants that. Okay, nobody wants to hurt their own body. Everyone wants to protect their body. That's a basic animal instinct. You want to protect your body, and if you want to protect your body, you must do everything to protect the body. But we forget that any emotional trauma that we have, any emotional trauma that we are trying to submerge within ourselves, is trying to find a way to come out. And we have to give it an outlet to come out. Only once we have given it an outlet to come out, can we truly heal and can we truly become better. And that's part of meditation. So the second amazing meditation that you can do and add it into your life is golden light meditation. What is golden light meditation? You can do it at the beginning of the day or the end of the night. It's similar to Vipassana, but I'll explain Vipassana in another video. It's similar to Vipassana. What you do is lay down on the bed, imagine a golden light falling on your head, and that golden light spreading across your whole body. And once, as you breathe in, imagine that. And as you breathe out, imagine darkness entering your toes and spreading back and pushing that golden light away. Then do it again. Breathe out and the darkness rushing in from your toes and expanding through your whole body and escaping through the head. Again, golden light falls. So in the best case scenario, you have to do it for 10 to 20 minutes. If possible, do it in the morning, because it will set your entire day into motion and you will be doing what's really important to you. If not possible, do it at the end of the day and you can go to sleep once you're done it. This is an amazing meditation. I love doing it. I do an alternate version of this, which is Vipassana, and that's amazing as well. The third amazing meditation that you can do, that a lot of people accidentally do, is that becoming an activity. Okay, so this is a meditation that teaches you how to get into the flow state. Okay, this is amazing meditation. So I will tell you a story. I really like swimming, and last to last year I was swimming in the pool, and I decided today I will only do breaststroke, and I was doing breaststroke. Okay, I'm doing breaststroke. I did 10 rounds and I said I will not stop. I will just do breaststroke and I will just observe my hands doing the breaststroke. And I was observing my hands doing the breaststroke and observing the hand doing the breaststroke, observing doing breaststroke. And what happened was, since it was so automatic process, that my attention span shifted over here. So I entered a slightly elevated state. I became detached from my body and I was just observing. So the whole process become meditation, and in Vedic scriptures this state is called the fourth state or Turiya. We have four states of consciousness. So the first state of consciousness is called waking state. Okay, second state is sleeping state, third state is dreaming state, and fourth state is Turiya. So when I was swimming in the breaststroke continuously for 1 hour, I was in complete attention. I was completely observing. Okay, I had no thought in my head. I was just observing, and I got so lost in the moment that I forgot what's happening. You can hear it from my voice when I'm trying to recreate that particular moment. It was a very beautiful moment. It's a very relaxing moment. Okay, and one of the reasons why we feel relaxed when we go to sleep is that we enter that particular state. Okay, but we don't remember it because we begin to dream. The stage where maximum amount of healing happens, maximum amount of healing of the body happens, is a state where we enter the part of rapid eye movement. Okay, but it's very short amount of time. But you can enter the same state if you begin to meditate. If you practice meditation judicially, you can enter that same state, and once you have entered that particular state, you don't need to sleep a lot of time. You are able to heal your body very fast. That is what most yogis do. So this is an amazing meditation, but how do you implement it? Same way as I said, okay, if you're running, while running, since the motion is repeated, you don't need to take much action, you don't need to decide, you don't need to think about anything. Just focus on how your legs are moving, how your hands are moving. Just complete attention on that, and the eyes on road. When you're swimming, same thing, complete attention on this. Whenever a thought comes into your head, bring it back to the motion. Okay, anything repeated. If you're doing boxing, if you're practicing like 1,000 punches, okay, if you're practicing 1,000 punches, you don't need to think much. You just need to count, and you need to look at the motion. Or you set a timer for 1 hour and you're just punching, and you don't need to think about anything. When the timer goes off, it goes off. Till then you punch and you observe your hand. Observe your hand. What this will do is that it will detach your identity from your body. We think we are our body, okay? But once you do this, you become detached from your body. If you can observe your body as a separate identity, then you are not your body. This is the reality. Once you are able to see something as different from you, you are not that particular thing. I hope you are following. And this is what meditation brings in. This will bring self-transformation. Without this, there is no self-transformation. The fourth meditation technique that I would like you to teach is a grounding meditation. I love this meditation. I do it in two forms. Okay. So, if you're someone who is coming from a corporate background, this can be especially useful for you. Now, the research has said that grounding is really important. Since we are surrounded by electronic device, wireless device, we are constantly in electromagnetic radiation. Okay. Which is also impacting our health, which is also impacting our mood. So what is the alternative? The only alternative of this is you ground. Okay, if you're coming from Indian household or a British household, you might have seen that there are 3 pins in any socket. Okay, one is for earthing. That one thing removes excess electrons, excess electricity, and grounds it. It protects all the other devices. Okay, in your house. The same thing we also need. And in the past, we did grounding by walking barefoot. That is the only way. But now, since all of the shoes that we wear and the footwear we wear are insulated, they do not help us ground. And since they do not help us ground, we are unable to naturally elevate our mood. So grounding is very important. So how to ground? First of all, remove your shoes. Go into any park or go and stand on the dirt. Okay, and first of all, just walk on the grass. Grass will itself help you ground. Okay, remove excess energy. Walk on the grass for 10 minutes. It's a really good acupressure exercise as well for your feet. If you begin to walk on the grass, slowly and steadily you will remove all the prescription that the doctors have written. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is walk on the grass. The second thing, once you've walked on the grass for 10 minutes, you can go ahead and stand on the grass and imagine all the energy, excess energy flowing into the ground, okay, through your feet. Flowing all the excess energy flowing into the ground. Release the energy into the ground. Imagine the same energy coming back towards you. Do it continuously for 10 minutes and I assure you, you will feel rejuvenated. So this is an amazing meditation, and trees, grass, all these natural things really help us connect with where we have really come from, which is nature, mother nature. Nature is very generous. It has given us everything. It has given us the birth, and we must be respectful towards, and we must protect it at any cost. Since we are the most cognitive beings on this planet, we have to protect it, and we have to protect all the creatures, and make sure we do not do any unnecessary harms. The other method that I like to do is tree hugging. I love tree hugging method, and what I basically do is go ahead and hug a tree and imagine all your energy is flowing from your heart chakra into the tree. Give your energy, give your love to the tree. Okay, this might sound stupid, but it's really effective. Whenever you're feeling anxious, go ahead and do this. Hug a tree. You can even, if you're feeling like anxious, if you're feeling weird, just touch the tree. But it's better if you hug a tree, connect with it, and imagine all the energy flowing from your heart into the tree, and then the same energy coming back into you. I feel grounded within 1 minute, but if you want, you can do it for 10 minutes. Okay, most beautiful meditation. It will again help you connect with the world, connect with the nature. The fifth meditation that I want to teach, and that anyone can do, is dancing meditation. It's the most beautiful form of meditation, most weirdest form of meditation. So all you need is a music, and all you need is weird dance move. The weirder the better. Okay, so the thing is, you run the music and you don't do robotic step. Okay, like this, then this is not dance. Okay, this is dance. That's what I mean, because I don't know what's happening, I don't know what I'll do. So this is the kind of dance that we are trying to do in the dancing meditation. You let the body do whatever it wants to do. In the modern world, in the Christian world, in the Hindu world, in the Muslim world, we inhibit ourselves and our body to certain laws that have been prescribed in a scripture. But the body has its own mind, body has its own need. And in some ways, we are inhibiting that. We have to give our body what it deserves. And what it deserves is freedom. Freedom from scriptures, freedom from society, freedom from laws, freedom from everything. Okay? And only then can you begin to heal. If you don't trust your body, how can your body trust you? Right? So for 10 minutes, give your body a free pass. Okay, do whatever it wants. Do whatever it wants. Do and be as weird as possible. Okay, this is a part of Kundalini meditation that we'll discuss in a future video. But for 10 minutes, give a free pass to your body and do and be as weird as possible, and run any song that you like, any music that you like. Do it at the beginning of the day to celebrate life, You just need a reason to celebrate, and there are million reasons to celebrate today. You just need one reason to celebrate, and there are million reasons in the world. Just celebrate. I know, remember, you also need only one reason to express your sorrow, express your sadness. So choice is yours. Do you want to celebrate or do you want to feel sad? I think celebrate. So dance like you have never danced before. Dance like you're drunk. Dance like you're crazy. Dance like a madman. Dance like you have never danced before. And it will become a catharsis, and you will never be able to forget this meditation. As I said, this is the best meditation you can try, and everyone can do this. These are the 5 easy meditations that you must include into your life, and that can really be transformational for you and help you get into your next state of consciousness. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please like this video and click on that subscribe button. Come on guys, and then click on that like button so that more people can reach this video. Okay, and if you're watching this on Udemy or my personal course section, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel on Yoga Mind Mastery. It will be really helpful for me and others. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.